Alright guys, we got a package here from Summit Racing. I believe this is our alternator. High output alternator, 240 amp. We'll do a quick unboxing. Show you guys what it's all about. Got Summit Racing sticker, Summit Racing equipment. Mechman 240 amp. Commercial invoice. Mechman. Made in the USA. Go Mechman alternator, 2-year warranty, high output. We race what we sell. Real world tested in the harshest conditions possible. Well, that sounds good to me. Wow, this is a pretty good presentation here. Wow, that is shiny. Look at that. Well, I give you, I'll show you what you get here. So you get this, see if you can see that on the cam. You get this ring terminal here, positive battery terminal. You get all kinds of things. You get the part number. You get the 800 RPM idle. 114 amps, and then output at 1800 RPM. We got 260 amps, and this I believe is a 240 amp alternator. You can say made in the USA, Mechman, and it's all nice and new, hand built in the USA. Always good, and very excited to put this in the car. And may have more videos for you guys shortly. Till then, peace.